This disruption has been enormous.
The City of Atlanta's own estimate is that the one-day boil water advisory cost businesses and others $250 million. But the Commissioner of Atlanta's Department of Watershed Management says the risk to health, the risks from not doing anything if the water had been contaminated, far outweigh the cost of the disruptions.
We certainly understand the inconvenience and the disruption, but what is paramount to us is protecting the public's safety, health and safety.
Commissioner Keisha Powell says the cause of the shutdown appears to be a computer malfunction at Atlanta's huge Hemp Hill pump station and water treatment plant. Engineers determined that on Monday, when crews were doing routine maintenance, computers detected dangerously high water pressure in the lines and set off the alarms that shut down the system automatically for 55 minutes. But the computers were wrong, so engineers will now figure out a fix.
The computer system was seeing something that was not in actuality, and so we have to understand how we can keep that from happening again.
Commissioner Powell says the city also has upgrades to the system already on the way, including building a separate water tank and pump system